Welcome back to Niki's Kitchen, where flavor, creativity, and Caribbean soul come together. In this video, I'll be cooking pumpkin rice. If you never tried it, here's a good recipe for you to use. I mean, it's simple, not too much added, but you'll see that there are other things that you could add as well if you want different flavors. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And this is my finished pumpkin rice. Stay tuned for the process from start to finish. Let's go. Here I have my fresh pumpkin from the market. I'll be cutting 3 slices small because I'm not cooking a lot of rice, so I don't need too much of the pumpkin. And once I'm done cutting, I'm gonna remove the seeds and that inner layer, that inner part of it. And once I am done doing that, I'm gonna cut my pumpkin small. I'm gonna dice them in small pieces. This is really a simple recipe. There you could add onion, you could add scallion, you could include sweet pepper and other spices that you like to use to flavor your rice, but I'm just adding my pumpkin and I'm gonna use some thyme as well. You don't have to remove the outer layer or the skin of the pumpkin. That's optional. If you wanna use it, you just wash your pumpkin, clean it up, wash it, and you're good to go. Cut it in small pieces and you're good to go. I'm almost done cutting my pumpkin. Realize that I need another piece. I'm gonna cut another small piece and include it. I want, when I cook my pumpkin rice, it looks rich and it has the color of the pumpkin, so I'm gonna use another piece. So here I am dicing those up in small pieces, For me, I'm making them as small as possible because I don't mind the pumpkin like totally mashed out in my rice. I don't mind that. So I'm cutting them very small also for them so that they can cook quickly as well. Once I'm done with doing this, I'm gonna wash these and then I'm gonna put them to cook. Let me know in the comment section how you do your pumpkin rice. So here I am, I'm taking up the pumpkin pieces, gonna wash it. Trying to get everything from the cutting board. Here I am washing my pumpkin. I did this like about 3 times, just washing it, ensuring that it is clean. And once I'm done, I'm gonna put it in the pot. I have added some coconut oil to the pot, and I'm kind of stir frying it with the thyme for a few minutes before I pour the water for it to cook, and that helps to give it a really good flavor. As I said before, you could add onion, thyme, well, thyme is there, but scallion, sweet pepper, other items, other spices that you like to flavor your rice. I'm just doing a simple pumpkin rice, not too much. I'm gonna add water to this, about a cup of water, and I'm gonna set it there for it to cook for a couple minutes, maybe about 5 to 6 minutes. Once I'm done, I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Here I am adding the water, and as I said before, I'm gonna allow this to cook for like about 6 minutes, and then I add my coconut milk. So this is my coconut milk. I'm using the Grace coconut milk. I mean, there are others there that you could use. You could also get your coconut, natural coconut, and use that as. I'm adding another cup of water, and so now it's time for the rice. It's about another 4 minutes that passed, and so now I'm gonna add my rice. I washed this like 3 times, and I'm now adding this to the pot. If you smell this, it smells so good. The flavor was so good, and the coconut milk gave it a nice aroma as well. I'm adding a small piece of butter, and I'm gonna set this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I also added salt. You could add all-purpose seasoning, other seasoning that you like, but I just kept it simple. I only included salt in this, and this is the final result. It tasted so good and it looked so beautiful. Please check out my next video to see what I add this what I eat this with. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye now.